Okay, here they say we are given a height of learners at Kosi High School, grade 10, 11, 12 were recorded as follows. We have 118 to 127, agree 16. The first question says, set up a cumulative frequency table on the diagram sheet provided. So we're supposed to provide it here. So how should I go about doing that?
First one is 16.
So here I'm going to have 16 here.
16 plus 26.
So we are going to say 16 plus 26. It's 16 plus 26 is what? 32. It's 42.
2 plus 42.
42 plus 42. 84.
84 plus 50.
84 plus 54, yeah. 138.
160.
164. Yes.
6.
186. Yeah. 200. Okay. So we are going to get 2 marks for completing this thing. Okay. Okay. We get our 2 marks. Second question says, draw an ogive for the data on the grid provided. So here's our grid. So I'm supposed to draw the ogive on the grid provided. So let's come up with the coordinates of the ogive. Okay? So the coordinates of the ogive, we said we take the upper class. Okay? So we take these values and then they're going to go with the frequency. Okay? Okay, let's write the first one. Assist me on that one. So we have first one, it's 127. It goes with what? It goes with 16.
16, yeah.
127 goes with 16. 136 goes with 136 goes with 42. It's 140. 145 goes with 84.
Yes.
Okay, what is the next one? 154. 138. Okay. 163. 164. Okay, what else do we have? 172. 186 like this. Okay. 181. Which one, right? Okay, let's go to our graph paper and put these things then. If we're going to put this one, we have 127. Okay. So here we're given which this one here is 125. Okay. 126, 127, 128, 129. So we have 127, which goes with what? With 16. Okay, 16 is this one, 127. So where these two meet? Where do they meet? Somewhere here. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, sharp. Okay, the next one we have 136. Okay. 135, 136 is just after 136. No? It goes with what? 42. Okay, this one is 44. Okay? Or this one is it's 40, this one. And then you have 44. And then it should be between 44 and 40. Okay, we have 136, which is going to be here. Somewhere there. Okay. 40. Okay. It should be between 40 and 44. Yeah, okay. Next one, we have 145. 145 goes with 84. 84 is this one. Sorry.
Yes.
145. I saw some of you which you are using a rule, and if it's a little bit complicated for you, you can just use a rule. And then you check where those two meet. Okay? So if we continue with this one, this is where we are going to get 40. Am I correct? It's here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, and then after that, we have 154 and 138. So this is 154, 130. It should be in between here. Okay, you go straight there, you go straight there, and then you say it goes with what? 154.
Just before.
Just before 155. So it's somewhere here. Okay. And then after that, you can erase. Okay. You don't need this. This was just guiding you. Okay, the next one we have 63, 163. Okay. 164 is in between. Okay, if you go from here, you go straight. No, it's straight, don't know. It's going to come back. And then it goes with what? With 163. 63, you go up, go up, go up, go up. This is where they meet. Okay, you shade there. 161, 162. 163 is this one. It's not here. It's the other one. So 160. Actually, this is 161, 162, 163. Okay, sharp. Okay, then we can erase this. We no longer need it. We have 172. No? 186. 186 is in between. Okay, this one is 184. And then this one is going to be 188. No? So it's going to be in between. Okay, let's go straight there. And then it goes with 172. Okay? So you have 170, 171, 172. So this is where it is. Okay. Let's erase this part. We no longer need it. Huh? Again, we're at 182 with 172. 171, 172, 186. 186 is between 184 and 192. And then we go to 181 again. 181 and 200. 200 is straightforward. I think let's check. We have 200. Okay? You go straight to 200. And then you say this one, it goes with what? With 181. Okay, 181. Agree. This is 180 here. This is going to be 181. Guys, your ruler is going to assist you. Make sure that you have your ruler so that you don't make any mistakes. You go use a ruler. And then you see like this line that I've drawn here, it's like similar to me using a rule. And then it's a piece of like, you are going to regret like. Yeah, you'll regret. So we have first dot, which goes with the second dot. It goes with the third one. Goes with the fourth one. Like this again. Okay, Tebuko, we still want to ground this thing. Where are we going to ground it at? 118 again. Okay, let's ground it. Let's put it down. So we're going to ground it at 118. So 118 is 115 again. 16, 17, 18. 18 is here. Okay. So this is where we are going to ground our graph. Okay, we have our Ogive here. As soon as we have our Ogive, then we can answer some interesting questions. What do they want us to answer first? They say we should, number one, use the Ogive to determine the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile. Okay? Now, what is the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the median? They're talking about Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay? They can also, in the previous question, they didn't call them lower quartiles. They didn't call them a lower quartile. They called them quartiles. Okay? One weight, it was quartiles. So let's get the position of Q1. The Q1, we get it by saying what? 25 all over 100. Okay? And then we have 200 plus 1. What do you get? 187. Is what? It's 50,25. So it's 50, approximately 50. Okay, let's look at this. 50. So this one is 48. Okay? In the middle here. Okay, we get 50 here.
No.
It should be in the middle between 48 and this one is 48, this one is 52. Okay, so in the middle between 48. Okay. We touched the blue color. Okay? After touching the blue color, and then we go down. Let's check which it corresponds with what. It's 138. Ne? So we'll tell them with our Q1 is going to be equal to 138. Okay, this is going to be our Q1. Okay, let's get Q2. Q2 is 50%. Okay? So if you say 50% divided by 100, and then it's 200 plus 1, okay? You get 100,5, okay? So this is the position. Okay, let's go from the position 100. We look for 100, okay? So this one is 96, okay? Below 104. It should be, I agree this one, what is going, I agree this is 96. This one is what? 100. Okay. In the middle. Okay, we go straight. Using your rule, okay? We are going to use your rule. And then you touch your Ogive, okay? Okay, after touching your Ogive, you check what is going to be the corresponding. You go down then. You get 100 and 141, 142, 140, 1. Oh, well, yeah. It's 141, 146, 147, 148. So we're going to say our Q2 is going to be 148. Okay, this is going to be our Q2. Okay, let's go to the last one then. Let's go to the last one. Q3. What is going to be the position of Q3? It's 150,75. Okay, let's come and look for 150 here. This one is 144. And then what do you get in between? 148. So 150 is in between these two. 148 and 152. Okay, we go straight. Sharp. And then we go down again. If we go down, I think I get 159, 158, 159.
59.
159. Okay, it says which our Q3 is going to be equaling to 159. Okay, we're going to get 3 marks for this again. So we get 1, 2, 3. Now they don't give us the mark for the position, but they give us the mark for the actual quartiles. Okay, we get our 3 marks there. And then number 1.4, they say if the minimum value is 119 again, and the maximum value is 178, draw the box and whisker diagram. So we're going to draw a box and a whisker. I said that the graph paper that we're going to be using is exactly going to be the same. You see this one and this one, they are exactly alike again. So we can come and look for here. We said Q1 is 138 again. So 135, 135, 135, 138 is here again. Okay, you draw your box. So you have your Q1 here. Okay, where is your Q2? Q2 is 148. 48, this is 49. 48 is this one. Okay, here it is. And then after that, we have 159. 159. So it's 159, it's here. And then after that, you connect your box again. Okay, here's your box. And then the minimum value, they told us what is the minimum value. They said it's 119 again. So 119, 120, 119, you expect it to be somewhere here. And then what did they say was the maximum value? 158, huh? 178. Okay, this is 175, 178. It's here. And then you can connect your dots. Okay, this is our dots. And then we go to this one. They give us 2 marks. How many marks was this one? 3. Okay, we get our 3 marks. It's going to be 1 mark for minimum and maximum, 1 mark for Q2, and then 1 mark for the quartile number 1 and quartile number 3. So all in all, you get your 3 marks. We're still good again. Okay, let's go to the next one. They say comment on the distribution of the height. So comment, we're going to use our box and whisker again. Now, if we comment there, I had Kate saying which is doing this. He's saying this one subtract this one again. Or he says this one subtract this one. He gets what? You want to check the distance, which one is bigger again. It looks as if it's bigger this side. Or am I wrong? It's even. It's not even. Okay, let's check it. Again, we know what are the Q1s and the Q2. So if you say 159 minus 148, again, you get an answer. And then you say 148 minus 138. Let's check the answer that we get here and check which one is big. This one we get 10. And then this one we get what? 11. We get 11. So it means this one won. Because this one is 11. Okay, let's check also. You can also check this one here. If it's not clear with these two, if it's not clear with this one, you can check the whiskers. Check the distance from here to here. Let's say which you have. Q1. What is your Q1? 138. Okay? Minus 119. Let's check that one. We get 9 for this one. Okay, say this one here, it's 178. Okay? Minus 159. It's 19. Yeah, guys, you can clearly see this side, it's much bigger than this side. Okay? So we're going to say this thing here, it's skewed to the right. Yeah, it's skewed to the right or positively skewed. And then we get that's which approximately how many learners? Again, how many learners? If we are given x is 138 and 158. Can you see that one again? So what are we given here? 188 is we get it from the x values. So number of learners, we're going to get them from y. 138 to 158. So we're going to check here. Using the Ogive, we're going to come and do the following here. We're going to check 138. I think this one is 138 here. You come and check which, okay, when x is 138, what is going to be y? And then you write the coordinates here. When x is 138, what is going to be y? You come and check. Okay, we know what is y. We already know what is y. Again, we got it from here. It is 50, it is 50. It was 50. Okay, let's put it as 50. It's fine. So we'll tell them, okay, when this one is 138, our y is going to be equal to 50. Everyone is happy there. Okay, what else do we want? We want to know when x is 158. When x is 158, what is going to be our y? You come and check 158. This was 159. Okay, now we want 158. You go up with this one. If you go up with this one, you're going to check which one is going to be the corresponding y value. Exactly the way we did it when we were getting the positions, when we're getting Q1 and Q2. When we got to tell the answer, I agree you don't know what is the answer. You go straight here. You check which one is this thing going to correspond with. It seems as if it's going to correspond with whatever value is here. What is this value? It's 140. It's 144 again. So you tell them, okay, when x is 158, né? What is our y? It's 144 again. Now, if you want to know the number of learners is the y value, is not the x. X is the height. If you want the number of learners, you look at y. So how are you going to get your y value? You are going to say 144 minus 50. So these people here are going to give us the number of learners that have a height between this one and this one. If you say 144 minus this one, it's going to give us what? 94. So there are 94 learners who have the height between 138 and 158.